Yan guys, good morning. Flex ko lang sa inyo guys ang ongoing project na swimming pool ni ECMJ Swimming Pool and House Construction Services. Dito po yan guys sa Binangonan, Rizal. Ayan. Ayan guys, sa mga may balak pong magpagawa ng swimming pool. Ayan, private lang po yan guys o resort.